cut it again.
You messed up. Papa, 1, 2, 3. Buck cut it again with another. It can never make.
Papa, say hi to them.
Say hi.
Tell them your name.
Alright.
Okay, you're gonna have your own channel too.
Say I'm gonna have my own channel one day.
Yes.
Okay.
High five.
Good job, Papa.
Okay.
We
So,
out here.
today at the park, I have some family time. You already know, no littering.
I'm marking
So,
booty.
As you see from the title. Yo. YouTube send us
Hold on,
something.
hold on. We need a mic. Let me get the mic up
Give him
here.
some juice, him want juice.
All right, hold on for the mic.
That now
Don't give him on the mic. Why?
That
Hold
will
on
never
for a
happen.
total
You'll never
focus
live
on
to
the
see that
mic.
happen.
So,
Red card.
as you see from the title, we want to say thank you.
Thank you for
No.
this.
You think you're a wrestler?
Oh, sucker! Alright, this is not WWE.
It's not WWE. Back to what we was talking about.
This is the Cookie Monster Coolest Beat.
We are so grateful right now. You know how long we had this? And we did not even open it.
No,
So,
we did not know that we
We're gonna talk about that. We can open it with you guys. Cause guess what? If it wasn't for y'all, we wouldn't have this.
That's right.
We would not have this. So big up on yourself, and we're gonna give y'all a little story time about how
You
we
sharing
had
with
to
them?
get this. Oh, you sharing?
Papa, share.
Aw, you sharing. You so thank you, buddy. Thank you. So yeah, guys,
Thank
we're
you.
really excited. Even Papa's excited, right, Papa? And
Okay, no more.
this is a cute part.
Thank you guys very, very much for us reaching 100,000 subscribers. No, I think now we are 150 something thousand subscribers.
Yeah,
We appreciate you guys so much.
we love the love and keep spreading the
Keep
love.
supporting,
All right,
keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting.
all these young,
Even if y'all talking shit, keep commenting.
keep talking shit.
We see y'all. We not replying. Laugh about them. And thanks for the support.
Thanks for the
As I
support.
come out good. You know, as I show with love.
Me and
Always.
Papa matching with our braid. Yup, where your braid at? Let me put one on you. Hey. But anyways, we still want to give y'all thank you 100 more thousand times. But like I said, we gonna give y'all a little story
Let me show them
time.
out there. Let me show them out there.
We gotta give them a little story time on how we had to get this. YouTube just don't give these out.
Right.
All right, we have to figure that out for ourselves. And you know, the Don right here
We that for literally.
figured it out.
Right. YouTube like them team. Like YouTube creators team.
Babe, we did it.
I will figure out how we'll get it because I'm like, no, not even me first. She first was like, so babe.
I just found it out. I looked it up.
When we all get with YouTube plaque, when we all get our plaque, everybody get for them one. I'm
Cause
like,
I'm like, we passed 120 now.
I'm like, wow, we should have been getting. So we do things say it's like a literally just mail to our address when then it's not. You have to reach out to them.
We are weird punny that
Yeah, like
Oh,
I check
yeah,
I check
a
the
few
mailbox.
times,
Remember
no,
every day I
yeah,
check the
every-
mailbox? They're like, alright, soon reach.
I say,
I will
yeah,
pass
soon
100 and
come.
some thousand.
Yeah, okay.
Never. Never.
Never came. You okay,
Say never,
Papa?
Papa.
Never.
Yeah. We literally write them and them tell me everything we for do.
We had to literally hit up YouTube, let them know that we
We
you know,
surpassed.
we passed that
And them
level
also,
of subscribers,
them
and now,
check your, them
you
check
know,
your channel.
we ready
If
for
you
y'all
get
to
if you
inspect.
get, them inspect your channel. If you get a strike, if you get a strike, you're not get it. You're not gonna get this
Yeah.
YouTube black card or whatever they call it. Silver card, sorry. Silver,
silver plaque. You're right,
yeah,
babe.
silver plaque.
So when you reach 100,000, you get a silver plaque. When you reach a million, then you get a gold plaque.
Right.
So we on the road to a milli, boy.
We want that milli,
We on the road to a milli. Papa say
your phone?
milli.
I'm gonna give you my phone.
Papa say milli.
Well, I'm showing which part with the people. This is one nice
Tell
part.
them say milli.
Millie.
Milli.
Me.
Road to a milli.
And I'm showing which part with the people. Nice, this is a nice park. We came. We come here last week.
Yeah, we came here last week.
But we never
to shoot a video, a dance video with Coolers on Oliver City. So we just say we want to come back.
Some family time.
And bust a little one, little sit down and vibes.
So they can say look up there, so.
Hey.
That's how the beach there. Well, we just swim at them beaches still. The kids party over there, so.
This is copyright. You can't be doing this.
So. It's time to get the movie started.
You, but I'm happy.
Let's open this with y'all. Alright.
This is gonna be the unboxing on the camera. Thank you, YouTube, cause y'all was answering real fast. So big up on yourself, YouTube. One thing we need you to do is cut out on the ads them.
No, but the ads are
not for film video, for other people video.
You call?
Okay? Babe, you take off one tape and I take off the next tape.
Use a key.
Here it is!
Just use a key.
I don't need a key, we already got the key. We already got the key to the city.
You look like one nervous old woman to do that. You know them nervous old woman to go so? Let's use the key in the babe.
These are the nails them we use to dig off a gap.
Let's use the key. Look, let's go so. Yeah.
Okay, babe, you're right. Hold on. Seen that? Seen that? What sound like?
Sound like your son.
Oh, we about to open it. How we open this?
Open it.
What? I'm dramatic.
I'm done.
Tan 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 tan. Let me get a drum roll, please.
Let me get a drum roll, please. We not doing no. What's about to be playing for the drum roll is Sophia mix up. No, of this. So the most of it fix up.
Yo, I think this is what one real
I
gold.
ain't never seen this.
Real silver. This is not no play thing like no fake thing. This is a real silver. This thing is worth money, people.
This boy love a silver, but I like gold better. I like gold better.
Yo, oh, it's the next thing. What that? That's a letter from YouTube.
YouTube. Let's see what it says. Let's read it.
You have to read the whole light.
Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they would take you from one side of the Milky Way to another. We already know that. Thanks. That's far. And why? And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you also created valuable connections and you built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present to you the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work, our hard work.
That's right.
And incredible achievement. Congratulations on this Congratulations on this amazing milestone. Just one of the many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Exactly. So that's why we're on a road to a milli, because guess what? This is not it. All right? All right?
All right.
So upgrade in our life.
All right.
So we'll soon switch up, fix up. Cause we can't chat about girl have to fix up and we're not fix up.
Right.
So we're not gonna keep this forever. We're gonna get the gold one. What's this? Oh, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Hey! Babe.
Alright, take it out now.
It says presented to.
Open that, take the plastic
You
off.
fiending!
So, yeah, but in the messenger, read that part there with the plastic
The
upon and take
Cookie
it out.
Monster and Cool as BG and Rory.
Mama, Daddy,
Yes, Daddy, Mommy,
Yo, my ass
and
crush it,
me.
you know.
I'm not. You fiending!
Papa, he's not Finnick.
Any old somebody try to rub with, can use some boss on the head. I can
That
see
glass in it.
myself.
Man.
Hold on, let me wipe it off. We dead waited until this video to open it. That's how you know it's serious.
Yeah,
we
have
really
this-
love y'all. Papa's excited too, guys, but he doesn't understand. But Papa, just know some of these videos you're in it, and that's why the people them love it as well.
you
So
made
we're
it
grateful. We're
100,000.
grateful for you. Are you a boss, my career? Tell him.
Papa, you boss your mother.
Tell him. Say when he was in my belly, that's when people start paying attention.
That's right. You got no Adam story there.
Yep. You mommy blessing. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow, and it has something on the back to go on your walls.
Wow, nice. Hold it, let me see again.
Papa, come pose with me.
What's the mama?
Pose with mama, come. Come, look at daddy. Turn around. Papa over here making a mess. Smile. Look at daddy.
Look, I'm
Are
looking
you
at the
giving
grass.
the kissy? It's so clean, right? It looks so nice.
But yeah, I did. Alright, I could just say, we'll look at outro.
Presented
Alright,
to.
let me touch it, please. I need to hold it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, look at this.
All right, babe. Let's
Yo.
go. It's your turn.
Yo.
Look at yourself. Fix your little haircut.
Yo.
Fix up yourself, cause you know say you look
Presented to
fresh.
The cookie. Yo, watch my name, brother.
Bomba. Zoom in.
Yo, you
Zoom in.
too. Nice. This is all
See
the
how I'm
work and
amping you?
dedication.
See how I'm amping you? And when
So
I
me never the
was
amp you
no,
too.
you was not. No, you was not. Let's go, babe. You did it. We did it. Boss a flick. Boss a flick. Boss, babe, put it down. Boss a flick. Boss a flick feet. All right, you got on Grace with. I'm not with it. He trying to show off his goodies, but anyway,
Alright.
we want to say thank you one last time.
Thank you very
Big
much
up yourself.
for this people, everybody. Big up on yourself.
We don't know how we got here. It started with just an idea,
Yeah.
and it started with just
Just,
us just talking and saying, yo,
get
let's
up
just
and
go
let's-
for it.
Let's post a video on
Let's
YouTube.
just do it. That
Yeah.
was it.
2018.
So our advice to you guys is if you want to do something,
Well, go.
just do it like Nike. All right? We love y'all. Give me some kissies. We did it. Give me a kissy, Papa. Mwah. Love you. Say love you guys. Say bye, Papa.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hold it. Bye.
Okay, what are we playing?
What are we
What are you
playing
playing?
right now, Papa?
I don't see. Go count. Go count. Go
Go
count.
count, Papa. Go. Go on the tree. Go. Come on.
Go count behind the tree.
Papa. Go count.
I really want to play hide and seek.
1, 2, don't look. Don't look. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? I don't know where Daddy is. Where did Daddy go over there? Where did he go over there? Okay, let's go see over there. Daddy's not over here. Oh, where's Daddy? I don't know.
You can't find me. Yeah. Papa.
Where's Daddy? Papa, be careful, Papa. Where's Daddy? Where did Daddy go? Which way? Okay, maybe under that tree. Daddy? Daddy's not there? So where did Daddy go? Behind this tree now. Come on, let's check and see where's Daddy.
Okay.
Bye.